Welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall Mokka 2014 1.4 petrol. Basically, I'm going to start the car and I'll show you. Look at this wiper. I'm going to operate. It's okay. Have a look. It's sit on the middle now. Again, I'm going to operate. Stop here. Again, I'm going to operate. See, whatever, he will stop middle of the way, bottom of the glass, top of the glass, whatever. And also another thing I notice when I going to operate this side stick, I'm not going to touch this one, or I'm not going to touch here. Have a look the dashboard here. You can identify something. See that green light operating. That's mean you are even the when you look at dashboard clearly here. See, sometimes it's operating and it's going off. See, this is the problem vehicle has at the moment. However, I don't know is it any connection with the light and this wiper. However, we talked with the customer before, then he got the used parts. As a first step, basically I'm going to change wiper linkage with wiper motor in Vauxhall Mokka 2014 1.4 engine. Let's go to the job. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of video like this. Let's start the job then. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this clips inside here, and also when you go underneath something here there, like this, go until end, remove everything. After that, I think I can remove this cover, and same time we have to remove these two wipe arms. I'm going to do step by step and show you how am I going to remove the wipe arm and going to change wiper linkage. Do you think is this nice? This is my bangle. If you need, follow link in the bottom. Going to remove all clips. Just put something like here underneath, just lift up. 1, 2. Basically it's holding with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips like this. Another interesting evidence, I don't know, I found this one from here. Maybe someone attempted to do something inside the wiper motor around, I don't know. Anyway, right, it's loose. I had to remove 2 wipe arms. Need to lift up this plastic cap behind here. Just lift up from back, leave it like that. And this one also same, because this wiper little bit up way, bit difficult to work around. I'm going to put it down. Just lift up both clips. Looks like to me is number 15. When you work with the glass, very careful. Small mistake enough for the break the glass. Right, now I'm going to give you small tip. Make sure when you take out the arm, this side very long and there is a bend towards upward, and shorter wiper blades to passenger side, and the long wiper blade short arm to driver side. Make sure, if you're not sure, make a small mark. You don't want to going to mix up. Right, basically when you're going to remove wiper arm, careful the glass. If you want, put it your finger underneath and doing just press down, and same time hold here. I'm going to press down from here, not there, basically. And same time, no, it's hard, Then I'll try other one. We'll see what's going on there. No, both stiff. This is the answer for stuck wiper blades remove. Spray WD-40. After that, use this tool. Then it will come out. If you need this tool, I'll mention link in the below. You can go through that one. Spray around, spray around. Basically, this tool, this side too small, it won't go inside. Then I have another tool. This is the other tool for this job. This one bit heavy, be careful. Yeah, it's out now. See, it's out because this tool won't go in here. When you use other tool, this one has a grip here, it's holding there and there. I'm going to the next one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use spanner. You'll see the spanner. Right, you can hear the click. That's mean it's out. Always keep in your mind about the windscreen, because metal and glass not going together. Now give the pressure here, just press it down and lift up from the edge. Still give me bit trouble that arm. Right, that wipe arm gave me bit harder time. However, it's out now. Now we need to remove here and lift up here slowly and lift up in other side. Just there is a rubber mount there, need to remove here. Then tiny lift up and take out. Before that, you can see there is a screen washer tube here, need to remove. Then after that, I can remove the complete cover, and I'm going to leave it as it is. Then after that, what we need to do, you can see here one nut there, one nut there. Then after that, rubber bun inside. Then we can remove the complete wiper. That is, need to remove this two 10 mil head nut. Right, two nut out. Now little bit take it forward slowly and gently and remove the wiper motor. All right, this is the course. Right, I'll show you. First, I'm going to disconnect from bottom the connector. Right, can you see inside? Can you see inside? You can see water. See here, water. The water inside, definitely water damage. I'm going to open this one and show you what happened inside, because water sit on there mean definitely inside damage. Yeah, I'm going to compare new part and the old part, identically same. If you want, I will put the link below, you can buy this one. However, I'm going to take you a 5 minute and have a look what happened to the this motor. Next from here. Right, now first thing, I want to make sure this one spinning easily. You can see it's spinning nicely. Then after that, I'm going to remove this cover. Normally I'm not worried about this motor. If you want, you can do it gently, but I am not worry anything. Just lift up from the connectors. Look at that, water damage here, all things corrosion, and this side you can see this is water damage, and inside connectors water damage. Yeah, now you know the causing the problem inside all water damage. Now I'm going to install this one. I'm going to slide in from the top, then after that I'm going to do this connector. Right, you can hear the click. Then after that, in here inside this knob need to push in. You can see it's in now. After that, two 10 mils, one here, one there. Right, nice and tight. Now I'm going to just add tiny line here for your reference. When it's spinning, you can see it's spinning. I'm going to inside the car and try to activate the motor and have a look how it's going to be work. Right, you can see it's working as should be. Look like it's coming to the correct point and stop the thing. We'll have a look inside. Remember, when I operate this stick, there is a light coming for the headlight. Now I am operating. Now I can't see that light come up from here. However, I'm going to switch off, fix the everything and show you inside what happened. When you fix this one, you have to feed underneath here. You can see this connectors. This thing need to go underneath the glass like this. See, it's in now. After that, need to connect this rubber thing here and there. Right, nice and in. This side, this rubber thing need to feed in to the connector. Right, it's in. And after that, this one, you can see tiny rubber bit. You need to press in here, this hole. Right, it's in. Same thing to other side, because when you put your hands in behind, you can press in from here. There is a rubber clip, like a plastic clip there. Right, see, it's in. After that, I'm going to push in these clips. Before that, make sure this screen washer pipe, fix it to the hole here. Yeah, and after that, go one by one, lined up the groove in. Now wipe arms. You remember, shorter one to that side and follow this all wiper line. You can see the line here in the glass. Leave it like that and follow the old lines. You will be fine. I'm going to line the old line here. See here, and just press in the thing. Then this one also, you can see the line here. You have to line up to there. That's a small tip like this, lined up, and press in here. It's in. We take it up. Yeah, that's right. Now install this two bolts. Just do the hand tight. This is number 15. Now I'm going to close the bonnet. We'll see how it's going to be work. Right. I noticed one thing. It's come and stop here. You can see that this line, it's need to come until here. Basically, I need to lift this one, lift up little bit to until come here. Then I'm going to do that adjustment. And the same time, I'll show you inside when I operate early. You saw light here. See, that light also disappeared there. Normally when I operating, you can see it's coming early. That's one also no any problem. Once I off this connector, see, it's coming to the correct place. Right, both job done in one shot. I adjust this wiper arm. Have a look now. Yeah, coming to the correct position. Yeah, we can't do much more than it's coming to the until here. It's fine. Right, after that, make sure close this cap, otherwise your water going inside and damage your threads around that area. After that, you won't able to remove this wiper arm at all. Close, and this one also wind up here. Close. That's it. If your vehicle has a like this problem, you know what to do. Follow this step, you will be fine. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of video like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.